Good afternoon again, everyone. I'm just back up at this tree. It's late in the afternoon. We had to go voting for a state election, so once again, late in the afternoon. So I've got the 288 out, which is 80 or 90cc class. I'll try and finish a cut here. We're supposed to get like 35 mil of rain tomorrow, with like an inch and a half or something like that of rain. So I will attempt just to try and cut through here, finish this a little bit off. At least I get it down. It mightn't fill up so much with water. And I'm just peeling the bark back. Oh, he's gone. There's a scorpion just in there on the bark. He's disappeared. Where'd he go? Little scorpion. Anyway, not to worry. Now I've forgotten the stand for this camera, so I'll start the saw up in a minute, and I'll try and make it as short as I can, and I'll do a cut, probably finish on it, but it's closed up. That's the main cut I was doing, to drop it just down in that wood, or bring it back here somewhere, or this one here, and see if I can drop it, unless I'm far enough away from that stump or the root ball, so it won't get me. Anyway, I'll sit you up in the back of the car. Cheers for a minute. Okay, I've started the chainsaw, so to save a bit of time, I'll set the phone on the back of the car, so hopefully you can see what I'm doing anyway. Sorry about the hand over the lens. I didn't go on a real straight cut there, I'm afraid. Anyway, I went straight on that one, but this thing worries me a bit because I don't know how it's going to come down. Anyway, I might have to cut from the top again, I don't know. Alright, sorry, back again. It's just about to start raining, or it's just sprinkling now, so we're in for 4 days of rain apparently, and we're in drought down here at the moment. So anyway, I'll leave this until I come back, but we'll see how we go with it. Yeah, I was just coming over the other side, but anyway, yeah, that's where I was cutting just there. That's the main cut I went through, and just laying on each other. That's where I really wanted to cut it from the first place, but anyway, this thing's ruined anyway. It's all soft and wet inside, so there's no use trying to save it. But anyway, I will come back to it and we'll continue on from where I've just left off. So anyway, I'll get me and the little hunting dog in now, this bit of wet weather starting, and we'll get back to it. Cheers for now. It's lucky I pulled up stumps. Have a go at this. It's pelting down.